I will introduce Active Plus Switchgear in 60 seconds. Active Plus is our comprehensive package of connectivity and advanced monitoring for MV switchgear or circuit breakers. Fires or electrical downtime in your business are costly, yet every piece of electrical equipment suffers from gradual insulation deterioration during its lifetime. Partial discharge monitoring is the best way to detect degradation such as corona, void, or surface discharges. Active Plus uses innovative sensing together with advanced analytics and MV experts to continuously monitor abnormal conditions. It is coupled with EcoStruxure Service Plan to provide you dedicated alerts and recommendations from experts with partial discharge knowledge to help you determine root causes and corrective actions. Together, Active Plus Switchgear and EcoStruxure Service Plan give you the best chance to avoid unplanned downtime and keep your business at its full potential. That's Active Plus in 60 seconds.